Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here today. So, after the 4th of July festivities and all of the wonderful foods, I thought I'd make something this week that's a little bit healthier for me. So, today I'm making some chocolate avocado cookies. I know of the health benefits of flavonols in chocolate, and so I thought I'd make this recipe to be low carb so that when I eat one of these cookies every day, I'll be able to get the wonderful health benefits that they should offer me. Life has been truly busy. Um, we are experiencing extreme dryness in Colorado. So keeping a garden going has been quite effort. And besides that, family commitments, commitments with friends, commitments at church has caused me to try to slow down just a bit um, and continue to make these vlogs as much as I am able. As you can see, this is a rather quick recipe to do, and the benefits should prove quite useful, especially since I've started working out a bit more once again. I had to stop for a little while because I've had some serious issues with my knees, but I think I finally have that in check and I can be more diligent in my exercise routines. My third grandchild is due in a little bit over a month, so getting in shape will be important to help my daughter with her little ones. These are quite yummy. It's not too sweet, and I can really taste the chocolate. Thank you, Father, for everything you continue to do in my life, in my family's life, my friends, and of course, my new acquaintance. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or evening, and I'll see you soon.